if I had to choose, I would choose somebody tall and Muslim. I like Muslim men.
Thick woman, if you watch, they are too lazy. I don't know whether it's their fatness.
Okay, for me, I would like someone my height or a little taller than me and very financially stable. I like black men.
Really? Okay, why don't you like fair guys?
I see them as like players. For me,
I prefer a dark or my skin color, but fair, I'm not really attracted to fair guys.
The color attracts me always.
The chocolate color?
Yeah, always.
Really?
Anytime I see the color, I feel a little happy.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, men have taste.
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for Ashefo, Etie onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie, the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
For any asha for me ma obi bia akwa ba shronko ene de ye muni aba mo so for Mexico ba ko pe ena me de mo aba be pie mo eye labadi bit aye ba be jiji eye dudu na adwenkyere e de fa won se wo kwa ware a ene ben ma ben no be pese wo be ware ben ma wo so ewa ebosi ana ben ma hone wo ana ben ma tietia na ensiwa na ya sa jimunchiremu se wo pe eye ben ma kokko ana ben ma tuntum na any botayenti a wono de wo se wo pe kokko pe tuntum pe 10 gram on etefo ye gusu aye kwagigi eye adwenkyere no ese na esitie bia no mufa mani endi echefi se etefo nkrofo won semu ka nkrofo wo choice na nkrofo so wo nsemu kire mufa mani ngusu ndi echi se na medi kan kan ye nsemu na. Yes, I have my sister here that we are here to talk to. My sister, welcome to Too Much Age.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Okay, my sister, right now, if you get a chance or if you prefer to marry, which kind of man would you like to marry? Which type? Is it tall or short or cute or whatever?
I go out the money, so me who got a mindset. So it really don't matter if you're short, if you're tall, if you're fat. As long as you want to make money, you want to get back to your people, like that's the type of men I want to be with. So outside really don't matter. But if I had to choose, I would choose somebody tall and Muslim. I like Muslim men.
Oh, really? You choose someone tall and a Muslim?
Yes.
Why do you like Muslims? Like, I can see you really have that passion.
Yeah, because Muslims understand the art of giving. So a lot of Muslims, they practice what Allah preach. So they just don't say what he say. They just don't, they live it, if that makes sense. So I want a man who lives, let Allah guide his footsteps. So anytime Allah is guiding you, you sure, to be a blessing in his life. So.
Oh, okay. You are leading us to another side, but since that's not the reason why we are here, I think I have to create that side. Okay, by the way, do you like a fair guy? Because you've specified that you want a TikTok guy, but you didn't specify whether you want a fair guy or a dark guy.
The darker the better. The darker the better. Like I like dark skinned men, like super dark, because I like dark skinned kids, and I'm dark skinned, so the darker the better.
Okay, thank you very much. But what advice will you give it to other youth that are yet to go into marriage? The kind of men they should choose, the kind of women they should choose, and whatever advice you have, give it to them.
Don't rush marriage. Don't let your family rush you into marriage. Don't go into a marriage with somebody that you really don't see yourself with. And the things that you accept now are going to later be the things that you regret. So just don't accept anything. So when you're accepting something doing dating, it's going to multiply doing marriage. So make sure, if whatever you put up with now, just know that it's going to carry on even more into your marriage.
Okay, thank you, my sister. Thank you for your time. Hello, viewers. We are continuing with the interviews. Keep on following us. brother, you are welcome to Too Much GH.
Yeah. My name is Elvis.
Oh, okay, welcome. Please, as at now, when you have the chance to settle down or to get married, which kind of woman will you go? Which type of woman? Is it thick, tall woman or slim and cute woman?
I would prefer a slim and cute woman
Why?
because I like the type of woman slim and tall. Yeah.
You say you want a slim and cute woman. Why do you want slim and cute woman?
Oh, it's my choice. That's what I love. Because slim and cute women, they are nice.
Oh,
If I
okay.
take her to anywhere, at least I'll have confidence on my woman.
Okay. So you think they are active and wherever
They're
they go.
active, they are brilliant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then why? What's different from a thick woman?
What's different from
Yes.
a thick woman? If you watch, they are too lazy. I don't know whether it's their fatness or everything is lazy. But when you watch a thick and slim woman, you watch her action, everything is cute.
Oh, okay. Into Bolobo.
No, I don't like
Slim
Obolobo.
Timothy out.
Yeah, slim lady is the best. Best in bed, best in kitchen.
Okay,
everywhere.
but let's see. The slim lady. Do you prefer a dark lady
I
or a fair lady?
I prefer a fair lady.
Why?
I love the color.
You just love their color.
Yeah, it's nice.
Really?
It's nice anytime I see the color.
So you're not afraid of
No.
fair lady like other men are
No,
saying?
afraid. I'm not afraid. Why should I be afraid? I like the color. It's natural. It's God gift. Why should I be afraid?
Oh, okay, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your point of view.
Okay.
Viewers, watch out for your fair ladies out there because as for this, my brother there, he's interested in fair ladies. Wow. Anyway, we have more for you. Let's continue. My sister, you are welcome to Too Much GH.
Thank you.
Okay, please, if you have the chance right now to get married, which kind of man will you go for? Is it a tall man or short man?
The tall and thick man.
The tall and thick man. Why? Why do you prefer tall and thick man?
Because I want my children to resemble him.
Really? You just admire thick tall men?
Yes, I like them. I admire them so much.
Okay. So what about the short men? What don't you like about short men?
I don't want my kids to get short. Yes. I like my kids to get tall so they will be nice.
Nice, eh?
Yes,
So
yes.
you think that the thick tall guys are nice?
Yes. For my own opinion, I like them.
Oh, okay. And what about he's thick tall? Do you prefer dark or fair?
I prefer dark.
Oh, really? But you are fair. Why do you prefer dark
I
man?
like black men.
Really? You have a taste, pal.
Yes.
Okay, my sister. Thank you very much. Okay, for your contribution. Thank you very much. Misa kamini aba fefefe wa ebe ji nenu mo nse. Mini aba me wa kwa aba shonko.
Yeah, just
No. Na mini aba sesi a senyame ya na so wo ware a. Be ma be na pepe so bro ware no be ma wo so wa bosi ana se be ma kokoro wa na pepe so bro ware do.
definitely the Osunwa. The Osunwa, like very thick and tall. At least taller than I am.
Why? Why do you want tall man? Why?
To blend my height.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm like this.
Okay.
He does not suit like this. At least we should be of David Goliath kind of a thing.
It's true. Normally, like cute women, normally tall men come for you. Yeah.
It complements our height. So
Oh, okay. What about the color, the complexion? Do you want a dark man or a fair man? That one too.
I'll prefer a dark or my skin color, but fair, I'm not really attracted to fair guys.
Why?
I have no idea why, but they don't attract me.
Really? But other people too get attracted to fair guys. And many ladies said, "Oh, I will not go for fair guys because many ladies are after him." Is it the same perception you have?
Oh, not really though. But I like the dark guys. They're cool for me.
Why do you like the way you say you like that? Why do you like that, guys?
I don't know, but I've always really loved my own skin tone.
Oh, okay.
The fair guys are a bit problematic, so I don't want to.
Oh, then you're also going with what people like. She said she likes she like TikTok guy and she like chocolate guy or that guy. She's no way going in for a fair guy. That's her opinion and that's the kind of choice. We are still on it, taking the opinions of other ladies and other gentlemen. Keep on following us. Hello viewers, we have a sister here that we are here to talk to. My sister, you are welcome to Too Much GH.
Thank you.
My sister, if right now, if you get a chance to marry, which man will you prefer? A TikTok man or a short man?
Okay, me, I'm tall, so obviously a tall person.
Okay, you are tall and you are thick, so you prefer a tall person. Is it slim or thick?
In between. He shouldn't be too buff. He shouldn't be too skinny too. So in between.
Okay, right now we've gotten to know that you prefer TikTok or a TikTok guy, but do you want a fair guy or a dark guy?
Chocolate. It shouldn't be too dark because I'm dark. I don't like fair guys too.
Oh, okay. Why don't you like fair guys?
I see them as like players for me.
Really?
Yeah, for me.
Hey, viewers, some ladies see just TikTok guys who are fair as just women guy, right?
Yeah,
women guys. That means they see them to be players just like that too. So as for her, she doesn't want any fair man. He prefer chocolate, then just the one that belongs to you yourself,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So why is it that you don't like a short guy?
I'm tall. A short person, it won't go. It just won't go.
It will not match.
No.
Are you the one who sees it like that, or you think
No,
it
that's my preference.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know. It should be at least tall. Even if we are the same height.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't have an issue if he should, but it shouldn't be too short too. But yeah.
Okay, thank you, my sister, for your time. May God grant you your heart request, okay? Viewers, we have a beautiful lady here we are here to talk to. My sister, you are welcome to Too Much GH.
Thank you.
Okay, my sister, as of now you are here, when you are asked to settle down, which kind of man would you like to go for? Is it TikTok, medium or short man?
Okay, for me, I would like someone my height or a little taller than me and very financially stable. Yes, for me. That's what.
She's saying what is important for her. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so
Be my height. I don't like.
okay, if the person is a bit taller than you, that means you're talking about a medium
Average,
person,
yes.
not someone tall and someone short. Okay, what about complexion to which kind of man? Is it fair or dark?
Yeah, dark, but not too dark. Like 16. Not 11. Yeah, I want a dark guy.
Viewers want to get it clearly. You mean you want a dark man or chocolate?
Chocolate, yes, something like
But
that.
why not fair? Why not fair?
I don't know. I don't like fair guys.
Why?
I just don't like fair. I just don't like fair guys. I have no reason why. I just don't like fair.
But
I like
most
them to be
ladies prefer
friends.
them to.
Yes, they are fun and all, but then I just don't like fair guys.
They are what? They are what?
Like most of them are fun, but then
Okay.
I just don't like fair guys.
You don't want to settle down with
for him to be my husband. Yeah, I just don't like fair guys.
And why is that many ladies prefer a TikTok guys and you in person you are not going in for that? Why?
I don't know, but okay. I didn't say I want like short guys too, but there's
Yeah,
someone
as I
average.
said, yeah.
Yes, I just don't like tall guys.
Yeah.
Like, that's
Why?
I don't have any reason.
But they like the kind of they like cute ladies.
Okay, if I get
They
a tall
prefer
guy
cute
that is
ladies.
nice and cute, then fine.
So you consider the nice and cute. You
Yes.
consider the nice.
But then, importantly for me, the cuteness and the handsomeness is important for me.
You don't care about the attitude.
Okay, the attitude is part.
Okay. So my sister, thank you very much. What advice will you give it to your fellow women if they are going in to settle down with a man?
Don't settle down with anybody who cannot take care of you. Find someone who can take care of you and has a good character. Yes. who doesn't want to change you for anything. Yes, that's what I have to tell my fellow girls.
Okay, thank you, my sister. Thank you very much for your time. Hello, viewers. I have my brother here, but we are about to talk to my brother. You are welcome to Too Much GH.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, my brother, as at now, when you are ready to marry or you are ready to settle down, what type of woman will you like to settle down with?
Let me see. Chocolate in color,
Okay,
average in height,
okay.
then a good understanding lady.
Okay, but why do you like average woman and chocolate in color? Why? Why do you prefer that kind of woman?
The color attracts me always.
The chocolate color?
Yeah, always.
Really?
Anytime I see the color, I feel a little happy.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, men have taste. Okay, what about why not a fair lady or a very dark lady? Why?
No. That's my own choice. That's it.
And there is nothing you can do about it.
Chocolate, final.
And average.
Average height. I don't want too much tall or too much short. Just normal average.
Oh, okay, but why don't you like too much tall? Why?
Those ones, I think from my own side, I think they have a little issue.
Which kind of issue? Which kind of issue
They
are you
like
talking
to
about?
control. They like to control.
With their height.
Yeah, that's it. So their height sometimes, not all, but sometimes their height deceive them. So they feel like to control everybody.
Really? You are the first person I'm hearing this thing from. It's very interesting though.
That's it. So I go for average.
Have you dated anyone like that before?
Yes, now with experience. That's what I'm saying.
18 for my brother said is with experience. The tall ladies feel like they are in control because of their height. That's how he feels. That's his opinion. Wọ́n deɛ wɔn nso n'adwene nkyɛn no ɔsi mba akɔkɔɔ no kyerɛ sɛ ebi mu wɔ fa ma wɔn ma na ɔsi wei deɛ nsuo ase paa na ofiri de ba nti ɔno deɛ ɔmpɛ ne ho asɛm. Efoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ mu nyaba Mexico 1 ɛna ene de bi mu bepie mu ɛwɔ Labadi beach anaayɛ botaeɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛgyegye dodoɔ n'adwene nkyerɛ fa ɛyɛ bɛrima anaa wɔbaa type a wɔpɛ sɛ wɔware no anaa wɔde ne settle down ani ne mu ne tefo dodoɔ na wɔkyerɛ wadwene a yɛde aba bɛto dwa ɛde ama mo netefo agorɔ ɛsɔ na adeɛ ɛsa ɛyɛ nkrasefoɔ aha ɛna mbɛma yɛ kwan ɛma yɛ adwenkyɛ dodoɔ na yɛgyegye no yɛde mo ɛsi na dasɛ ne ɛyɛ nyame adom a yɛbɛsan ahyia biom etiefoɔ ɛyɛ update bi a ɛbɛkɔ so new vibe bi a ɛbɛkɔ so yɛbɛ make sure sɛ yɛbɛyɛ bia ɛde aba abɛsom mo dasɛ ne yɛbɛsan ahyia makramo